Congratulations, team. You have won the day.
Happy New Year, Justice League.
I should have done this a long time ago.
No kidding.
Liking this team more every day.
Human customs still elude me.